Hola, fellow Homo sapiens. Here is our next Spittlebug. This Spittlebug was found in Dominica a few weeks ago. It took me a while to identify it, but I am pretty confident with this species identification. There are over 990 species of Spittlebugs worldwide. True Spittlebugs are in their own family. I couldn't find a whole lot of material on this species, so I just wanted to take some time to appreciate the species and share it with everyone. Every species is special in lifers. I love finding new species, no matter what it is.